Okay, let's introduce this machine to you. This is R750 rod. And so let's introduce the three main system. So the heating system consists of this top heater and bottom heater and this infrared heater. And for the optical alarm system, so we have the camera here and the monitor here. And for the control, we have a control system. This is controlled by the PC. The PC is here. So that's the three main system of this machine. And now we can open this software, which is you can see the icon here, and we open it. So after we start the software and we do reset, get all the styles here, X, Y, and Z back to that row, and then we log in with the user. We have two users here, this user and the administrator user. So I will demo with the administrator user. So enter the password 38. Okay, and here is the system parameter, system setting here. So that's all the parameters we have preset. And we support two languages, Chinese and English. And here we should load the temperature profile. For example, for demonstration here, so load the profile. This is the upper temperature and lower temperature, and this is the infrared temperature. And we should just customize the size of the BGA and all of it, and write into controller. And okay, all is ready. And now we can choose the function. We have the three functions here: weld function and disassembly. And this is mount. So weld for soldering, and disassemble is for move the chip from BGA from the PCB, and mount is a combination of soldering and alignment of the solder ball. Okay, let's dive into the details. I'll demonstrate it with these. And first, we just put the PCB on the holding fixture like this to hold it firmly, and with the help of the lighter spot, so we can position the area we want to work. And now it's okay, and you can see the nozzle limited the area of the hot air. Okay, should be a little bit larger than the tube. And now, and we can start with weld function. Now, the head goes down for the PCB and start to heat. Okay, I start to heat here. So we only just preset one segment temperature. So here is counting down. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the heating process is over. We have it back home, and now that's the weld functions. And now let's move on to the next function. That's for the move the chip from the BGA, from the PCB out. Okay. The head goes through the PCB and start to heat. After the solder ball is melts, it will pick up the BGA to the feeder, and then you can tie the chip wire. pick up the chip from the PCB and put it on the feeder. Okay, after it's cooled down, so we can take away this chip. Okay, take away the chip. Now we confirm. Now the camera go home. And that's the whole process of the disassemble function. And the next function is mount. Okay, I'll try mount. And we put the chip on the feeder. So put it on in the corner like this and confirm. We'll pick up the BGA for alignment. Okay, like this. And now we can zoom in or zoom out to zoom the image on the monitor. So we have to get the solder ball. The blue solder ball is from the chip, and the yellow solder ball is from the PCB. So our goal is to make them overlap. So we need to do some adjustment. Okay, we can adjust with these. Adjust the holding fixture with these knob X and Y and move to right or left like this. And for the focus of the image, we can adjust the Z-axis for the focus of the camera, and you can move the camera like this to check. And also, if you want to adjust the angle of the chip, so we can just clockwise or counterclockwise, we can rotate it. Rotate the BGA. Like this, you see, rotate the BGA.
好，快点对位完毕，都8分钟了。
Okay. After the alignment is finished, we can confirm it's okay, location confirmed. At the camera going home, the head goes down for the PCB and place the tube on the PCB and start to heat. Now the heating process is over, and that's the whole process of the mount function, and that's all of it.
Thank you.
Thank you.